What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today is the finished release, not really a release, but a unveiling type of video for the Nismo 350Z I've had for the past 2 years. It officially has been completed, and I'll show you guys, do a walk around. But let's get some heat in this engine because it's hot outside and this fat boy needs some AC. Temp, almost a full tank of gas. So yeah, today is it's actually a nice day right now. It's mid 80s, around 11-20-ish here in Florida. So let's find a spot so I can do a walk around and maybe I won't get burned in the sun because it's not very cloudy today, pure sun. So let's do a little drive and see where I can go. Alright, I think we found a spot. Oh, this looks peaceful. Looks dirty. The water looks terrible. But it looks peaceful. Now, I will be completely honest with you guys. This is the first time I've taken my car out here. My wife will be the first one to agree with that. I don't think I've ever been back in this area. This is Pioneer Park in Zolfo Springs, Florida. So, a little desolate. There's a couple cars over there where the boat dock is, so I'm assuming some people are canoeing that way, maybe? I don't know. But let's get to today's video. Alright, so as you guys can see, it is completely done. Front, rear, side skirts, rear bumper, the wing, everything is set up completely. So I will show everything, talk about everything I can that's coming to my head. What I did to the inside, what I did to the outside. So this is a kind of final resting area piece, state of progress, if you want to say, for this vehicle, how you see it. So I have RPF ones, 9.5, 18 by 9.5 in the front, plus 15, 10.5 plus 15 in the rear. 275/40, which is the overall diameter of the factory wheel and tire, front and rear, so I didn't want to lose my reading for my miles per hour or my fuel economy. 255/40 in the front. I did upgrade to the factory Brembo Brembo calipers. I did add cross-drilled and slotted rotors. These stop on a dime. So down the road I'll probably go bigger, maybe with a Stop Tech kit. But for now, this will do. So Shine Auto side skirts, Shine Auto rear bumper, all V3. I do have the mesh inserts that go in the bottom, but I'm still trying to think of a way to put them in without them falling out. The factory setup is terrible. The Shine Auto setup that they gave me, in my opinion, terrible. It's a metal prong that has a hook at the end with a flat area. You double side sticky tape the flat area and then bend the hook over to latch it. Which, no, I don't agree with that. It's gonna fall out. The wing is from ABSDynamics. It's one of the best 3-piece wings that you can buy if you're looking for a OE style wing. Yes, it is a 3-piece wing. It is removable, all 3 sections. Did the rear wiper delete from Z1 Motorsports. The front bumper is an OE. It is a Nissan V3 bumper. The USR black housing headlights. The Lost Fit Pro HID to LED kit I put on. Let's see, what else am I forgetting? It is lowered on some sort of lowering spring. I don't know which one it is. It came like that when I bought it. I want to say it's a Teen H-Tech. It is a gold spring. Couldn't really get any numbers off of it, but I'll look in the future. And the inside, I did install a set of red leather. These are OEM seats, but they are wrapped with red leather. And last night I finally successfully wired in the third brake light for the wing. It's only 2 wires, but every time I try to do it, I either run out of time or the mosquitoes come out. I think for now I'll just change the wheels and tires, go wider in the front, wider in the rear, one size down on the aspect ratio, keep the wheel spec the same though. I did remove the window tint all the way around. I'm going to be getting, at some point, it's not a priority right now, but at some point I would like to get 70% ceramic film all the way around, so it appears stock, but I have complete heat rejection with ceramic. But let's enjoy the scenery a little bit before it gets up to like 95 degrees here in Florida. It gets blistering, man. I've lived here my whole life and I still don't like it. I'd rather be a snowbird effect, I guess, but I wouldn't want to bother people while they're working and wondering why I couldn't give them coupons. Idiots. Sorry, rant. But yeah, dirty, murky water. Always curious as to what lies beneath. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and drop a comment below. See you on the next one, guys.